Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today Muaz is cameraman. Say hi, Muaz.
Hi.
And today we're going to be unboxing the Elgato Keylight. So this is the Elgato Keylight. You can see on the box. This is app enabled, 2800 lumens, adjustable color, and it's space saving, it says. Okay. So this light is a desk lamp, you could say, in a way, and it clamps onto your desk. And yeah, so here's the front and there's the back. So it's pretty big too, it's heavy big too. It also says OSRAM LEDs included. Okay, so now let's open it. Okay, so there we are, we opened it, and this is what comes in first. Moaz, can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a manual, I guess, in cardboard shape. You guys can see. It shows like how to put the lights and stuff, so you guys can see it. So, and on the bottom, it also shows how to connect it with the software. There. Let's put this over on the side here. This might come in handy. And now, cardboard, and this. So this over here is the rod, which goes onto your desk, and then it just like goes up, I guess you could say. So, okay, we'll see how this works later. And then, put that back in. This and this, I think that's about it. So let's put these down to the side. And first see what's in this. Open it up. Whatever that is, let's just dump it all out. There. Okay. So little paper, and probably no one's gonna read that. Okay. And then we have the power brick charger thing. Here it is. And as you can see, it doesn't have the plug. It's because they made it like internationally adaptable with different plugs. So there's this one, this, like, so you can go to different countries with it. I don't see why someone would bring this to another country, but okay. So let's just put the right one on. The US one, there. So it just clips on and you can take it off. Put that to the side. Oh yeah, so it comes with this thing. So this goes onto the top over here so the light can sit. So let's put that on. And which way does it loosen? Yeah. So loosen that up and loosen this up. Yeah. So we open this and you guys can see these, and there's 3 of the things actually. So these are for the that wire. So we can just like put it on over here. Let me just do that right now. 1, 2, and 3. So we have it on. Right, Muaz? Is it cool?
Yeah.
Oh no, I actually made a mistake here. Now it's on, right? Yeah. There we are. So for some reason you have to go to the left side to like tighten it, which is weird. It's not the right, okay? And let's put this to the side also. Now we have this plastic paper bag, and here is the light. There's the front. There's this cool design on the back. It looks pretty cool. You guys can see. And then it says, oh cool. Okay, so it says Keylight over there. And on the bottom, there's a switch for, so there's this one switch which turns it on, resets it. There's the on switch and the on switch, and there's the power thing. And I also noticed that this has the screw for on this side, so you can put it sideways and like that. So I think we should like assemble this. Okay, so we were able to get this plugged in. It took us a while because it's so like big, I guess. And here you guys can see it. So that just resets it if you hold it for a while. And it also shows how to install the software. So Muaz, should we install it?
Okay.
Okay, so over here you guys can see on the laptop where we've downloaded the software, and on Mac it shows up on the top row. So here you guys can see, and you can also see the light. So right now we have it at like a light orangish, which is kind of hard to see, but if I change it you can notice it more. So this is going towards like the bluish side, and that's around white and now orange. So we're now gonna put it up, and it's a little bit more noticeable now. And it's very bright. I don't think you guys can see how bright it is in camera, but like you guys can see how whenever you change it, it does this. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so that's about it. So you guys can see how you can control it. So this light's pretty cool. It does a lot of things too, like you can see. So thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember to like this video. And remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.